Hey Cliff, so once you have your Gmail account logged in, then you would just go to youtube.com and in the upper right you should see your login information. If you click on the little picture, if you don't have a picture, you might just have a circle with a C or an L in it for your name. Then you just click on it and then you can see your account info there to verify you're logged in. Then you just click on this little video camera right here that says create a video and more, and then you go to upload video. Then you would just click select files to browse for the video that you want to upload. So I'll just do one to show you. I already have this on my YouTube channel though. So you select one to upload. Then once it's done, it takes you to this screen called details. Then you could give the project whatever, give the title, whatever you want for the video. Then you click next. I always put no, it's not made for kids. Next. You keep clicking to the next screen. Bear with me, it says 10 seconds left. Almost there. It's taking a little longer than I'd like. You can click next. It's not processed all the way, so it'll just take a little bit longer when you're ready to share it. And then you can say that you want it public so everybody could see your video. Unlisted is anyone with the video link can see your video. And I would leave it as that or public. I leave all mine as public, but if you want it to be unlisted, they have to have the link to get your video. So then you just click publish, and then it's going to upload your video to your channel. This is your studio screen right here. This is if you want to add captioning or change anything. Since you're just starting to use it, you probably won't use the screen that often. You could click back up in the corner on the account and then go to your channel. And then once your channel is done, once your video is done being uploaded, you just click on it. And then you go to share, and you could either get the link right here, or if you click on embed, you can get the embed code to put into Blackboard, whichever one you want. Okay? Let me know if you need any further help. Thanks.